Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Apple Pay to bank account, quick fix step by step clearly. Open your wallet app on your iPhone. Locate your Apple Pay account within the wallet. Tap on the Apple Cash card. Select the option to transfer money. Choose the amount you wish to transfer. Next, tap on the Transfer to Bank option. Select your bank account from the list. If you see no bank account listed, you may need to add your bank account first. To add your bank account, go to the Settings tab. Select Wallet and Apple Pay. Under the Apple Cash section, choose Add Bank Account. Enter your bank account and routing numbers. Once your bank account is linked, return to the transfer screen. Double-check the transfer amount and bank account details. Then, tap on Transfer. You may be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Wait for the confirmation that your transfer is in process. Depending on your bank, the transfer may take 1 to 3 business days. You can check the status of your transfer within. Make sure to have enough balance in your Apple Cash account before the transfer. If you encounter issues, consult Apple support for detailed assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.